Hey guys, it's Bruce, and today we're talking about a senior systems administrator position in McLeansville, North Carolina, San Jose, California, and it's going for 120K salary. But before we start on that, you should know that I have a course, and I've got a place where you can sign in and get free stuff as well. And you can be informed on when I release a new set of courses that are dealing with information system security officer work, risk management framework from a practical perspective. Let's get into this. Alright, so they said we have 2 senior system positions for a senior system administrator position in North Carolina and in San Jose, California. And the positions with benefits and yearly salary up to 120K, however negotiable based on qualifications, meaning if you have certifications, if you have more years of experience, if you have extra skill set that they might want, it might even be more than 120 or less. Depends. They want you to have an active top secret clearance. What is with all these clearances? I need to get some without clearances. This like eliminates a lot of people out of the pool. Alright, so the email doesn't have anything, but they have an attachment to their GD site, so I'm going to go there. And we're going to see Senior IT System Administrator. And what they're looking for you to have is a bachelor's degree in computer science and related field, or the equivalent of 8 years of relevant experience, or a master's with 6 years experience. Let's see. So, okay, let me see if I can understand this. They're saying you should have a bachelor's degree in computer science or related fields. That can be a double E, that can be engineering, it could be electrical engineering even. They're very open with technical. If you have a technical degree, then there's a good chance they'll take it outside of a computer science degree. Okay, so that's what that means. Related field, that's what that means. Or equivalent experience is required plus a minimum of 8 years of experience. Oh, bachelor's degree plus 8 years, master's degree plus 6 years. Okay, my bad. Misinterpretation. All right. Clearance requirements, man, TSSCI, I mean, that eliminates like 90% of anybody who's going to watch this video. right away. But we still talk about it. Responsibilities for this position is senior IT administrator. This position provides an opportunity to further advance cutting edge technology and blah blah blah, general dynamics and esteemed customer and yada yada yada. Okay, let's just get right into it. Representative duties and tasks. Responsibilities for managing and the functionality and efficiency of a group of computers running on one or more operating systems. Maintaining the integrity and security of servers and systems. Servers as a frontline interface to users with technical issues. So you're going to have users logging into servers. You're going to maintain the system's security and integrity. Okay, makes recommendations for hardware and software purchases. Okay, so they need to upgrade a system. They're going to come to you as the senior admin to say, okay, what should we go with? Dell? Should we go with Gateway? Gateway. Should we go with should we go with? Should we do virtual systems? Like, what should we do? Okay. Interacts with third-party technology vendors. Oh yeah, of course. Because whenever you get let's say you bought a NetApp system that does it's a NAS, it's a network attached storage area network, and you have to talk to NetApp or EMC or whoever manages that, so whoever created that server, you have to talk to the vendor and say, hey, we're having this issue with the controller here. Is this a common issue? Do you guys have a fix action for it? Do you have like another firmware update that we can fix this particular issue? Because you're not going to know everything about that system. Even if you've been working on it for 10 years, there's always new stuff coming out, so you have to work with the vendor to fix certain things. So that's what they mean by that. Conduct system analysis and development to keep systems current and changing technologies. Okay, of course, because systems are always changing. Duties may include installing new software, troubleshooting, granting permission to applications, and training users. The server system administrator is responsible for the day-to-day support of server services, performs server administration for server operating systems, perform administration for physical and virtualized servers. So it looks like you have a virtualized environment there a bit. Responsible for the configuration, maintenance, troubleshooting of physical and virtual hardware. Yes, of course. Let's see, is there anything? There's nothing jumping out at me. This is a very technical job, very hands-on. Vulnerability scanning, monitoring, includes experience with Nessus, SCAP, ACAS. I mentioned the CIPRNet documentation, working with other server technical teams and server teams, stakeholders, leading. You're gonna lead. Okay, here's one. You're gonna lead a medium-sized continuous process improvement for. Okay, so you're looking like you're gonna really be a senior level here, senior IT administrator, because you're gonna be leading a few people underneath you. So this pretty top-notch position right here. Not many people are going to be qualified for this job. This is high level, very technical, and then you got a TS clearance, so that's eliminates like half the field right there. Anyway, guys, that's it. I'm going to put the rest of this stuff below. I doubt more people are going to. This is way out of my ball field there, so I'm going to go ahead and leave this to you guys. I'm going to put the description below if you are interested in where I got this from. If you're interested in knowing stuff about information system security officer work, risk management framework, which this stuff I'm talking about is not in particular. I do work with these kinds of people on a daily basis, but this is not what I do personally. But if you're interested in that, go to this link right here. I can tell you how to do my job, who works with people like this. That's it. That's all. I'll see you next time. Next week? Next time. Let's just say next time.